Hey there! Are you looking for a simple and natural way to boost your health and well-being? Look no further because garlic water might just be the answer to your prayers. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 amazing health benefits of drinking garlic water every day that you might not have known about. But first, did you know that garlic has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries? Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans have been using garlic to cure a variety of illnesses and conditions. Garlic is packed with nutrients that have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, and when combined with water, it creates a powerful elixir that can help keep you healthy and strong. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 12 health benefits of drinking garlic water every day. Boosts immunity. Garlic water is loaded with antioxidants that can help your immune system fight off infections and diseases. Improves digestion. Drinking garlic water can help promote healthy digestion and alleviate stomach issues like bloating and gas. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic water has been shown to have a positive effect on blood pressure, helping to regulate it and reduce the risk of heart disease. Helps with weight loss. Garlic water can help boost your metabolism and suppress your appetite, making it easier to lose weight. Prevents cancer. Garlic water contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, making it a great addition to your cancer prevention regimen. Fights respiratory infections. Garlic water has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help fight off respiratory infections like the common cold and flu. Enhances athletic performance. Garlic water can help increase endurance and reduce muscle fatigue, making it a great supplement for athletes. Relieves joint pain. Garlic water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate joint pain caused by conditions like arthritis. Improves skin health. Drinking garlic water can help improve the health and appearance of your skin, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces cholesterol levels. Garlic water can help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Increases bone density. Garlic water can help increase bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Boosts brain health. Garlic water contains compounds that can help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So there you have it, folks. 12 amazing health benefits of drinking garlic water every day. It's easy to make, inexpensive, and can help keep you healthy and strong. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you.